congratulations for winning Insurance Alerts Asia's Finest CMO Award 2020.
Thank you so much, sir.
So my first thing to you is what is the secret or what is the mantra of your success?
Sir, first of all, big thank you to everybody at Insurance Alerts, the jury, yourself, and your team for bestowing this award to me. I feel really honored and privileged to be receiving this award from a platform like yours. As much as I appreciate the award, I am humbled that you still count me as a success, because I think my success is still some time away. And I will look forward to the moment where I will really call upon myself really successful. But if I have to look at more successful people, um, I would say it is always the hard work that pays off. I have not come across anybody who's been successful without working hard. And when I say working hard, it's not only about working hard; it's also about being true to the purpose. One really needs to know where they want to go and then work hard in that direction. Uh, I have not come across anybody who's just been true to the purpose and worked hard. It's also about how people create force multipliers when they work with people. So there are a lot of people who come and support us in many ways. There are invisible hands who contribute to our personal successes. So it's extremely important that we respect people for who they are, what they bring to people, whether they are our colleagues, they are vendors, suppliers, collaborators, or even people who whose paths cross your paths. It is important that people listen to voices. Extremely important to listen to voices, and people also must learn how to ignore noises. There is a lot of noise in the background that can really divert our focus, our attention, and take away from our focus. Last, not the least, people should never feel that they have learned enough, they know everything. People must be open to learning new things every single day. People must invest time in reading books. There is a lot of good content available on the internet. People must make use of that. And hopefully, when the time is yours, people will be successful. So that's my 2 cents on it.
My second question to you is what is your suggestion or advice to the young generations who are coming to the industry or who are in process of coming to the industry?
Excellent question, sir. Excellent. The insurance industry is very large, and it is a very noble profession. Youngsters may not really understand it fully well, and therefore, my first recommendation to people who entering the profession is to pay attention to what the product really is. It's a complex technical product, and the financial literacy in the country is low. And therefore, it is the fiduciary responsibility of every professional in the insurance industry to really invest time in learning what the product is, what benefits it delivers. I think that's the first thing that I would advise all new entrants into this industry. Second is it's an industry that requires great empathy, um, because the product really delivers value when the customer is going through a difficult time, whether somebody has passed away or somebody is in the hospital, or there has been a fire, or there's been a breakdown of the vehicle. So I think uh, it is times like those that the product gets tested, and one needs to really be empathetic in their outlook when they're approaching customers. Third is people must understand that it is not an easy product to sell. The customer really doesn't believe that anything is going to ever happen to his life or to his health or to the property, because people are optimistic in general, and therefore the seller more often than not gets no for a pitch. um, his life is extremely difficult, and everybody, whether in the sales role or in the support roles, must understand and empathize with it. Therefore, my recommendation is, irrespective of what role you are in, one must understand that it's not an easy product to sell, and therefore our endeavors must be to help customers understand, appreciate what the product is. And second is, one must empathize with our sellers also, that their jobs are difficult. If somebody is getting into a sales role, then I would say, one must develop that thick skin to get a no for an answer and try again. Um, a lot of people are not able to take that rejection with failures, and give up. I think that is something that people must develop sincerely and genuinely. Last but not the least, one must always be open to learning new things, especially digital and technology, because that is what is disrupting our business in ways that we are not even able to imagine ourselves. So somebody who's entering the business now, will have probably 35, 35, 40 years of career in them, and they must be open to learning new things almost daily, so that they're able to prolong and make it successful in their careers.
Thank you very much, sir, for your advice. And I think all the new generations will benefit from this, uh, from whatever you said. So it was nice talking to you. And congratulations once again for winning the award. Namaste.
Thank you so much. Namaste.